Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the last time I make a video on this Hyper Tough 3/8 inch ratchet. There's really nothing to say. I mean, it's done nothing but impress me the entire time I've had it. Yes, it's not as strong as a Milwaukee. I've said that in the last two videos I've made about this thing, because I made a 2-month review video and a 6-month review video. This is the 1-year review. I said it in the first video that I thought it was a phenomenal deal. I still say it now. Like I said in some of the other videos, I've got $100 in this thing, but that's the tool, the battery, plus a spare battery, plus a rapid charger. So really that's about the best $100 I've spent on a tool in a long time. And just like I've said in the past, it doesn't really have a whole lot of breakaway torque. If you need a nut runner or a bolt runner, this is the ticket. This is about the best bargain going, I can tell you that right now. Pick one up and put it in your toolbox, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to feel the same way I do. I've had zero issues out of it. The only thing I have had happen to it is that the trigger would get stuck just occasionally. But I would just a quick blip like that, and it would, it would go back to normal. It would stop. But other than that, I mean, you can see that I have used it. It is filthy dirty, scratched up. The black coating is worn off of it in spots. This is a really good deal, guys. I mean, you really can't go wrong with it. So if you're new to the channel, how about give me a thumbs up for the video if you like it, and if you don't, hey, thumbs down. That's okay, whatever. Leave me a comment or whatever. 1 year with it. I have nothing bad to say about it at all. Thanks for watching.